Welcome to Ontario Tech University's Student Accessibility Services portal. This video is intended to provide you with information on the late booking process. This is a supplemental video to the instructions you received from your Learning Strategies counselor. We have created this video as an additional resource to assist you with this process as a visual guide. If you've missed the deadline to book your test, you need to submit a late booking. However, if your test is in less than 48 hours, including weekends and holidays, SAS cannot process your request in time, so we highly encourage students to contact their professor or TA for consideration as they require reasonable notice to make the necessary adjustments for your late request. If you do not contact your professor or TA, then you must write the test without any accommodations. To get started, go on to Ontario Tech's SAS portal and look for the Book a Test or Exam icon. Once you click on this icon, click on the Late Test or Exam Sign Up Form button. Once you click on this, you will be asked to log in using your network login. At this point, it is important to note that the submission of this form does not guarantee that SAS will approve this late sign-up request. This information will be confirmed by email once we receive approval from your professor. Select the course code from the drop-down menu in which you need to register for a late test sign-up. Please indicate if there are any conflicts from the drop-down menu. Conflicts can include lectures before or after your scheduled test time, or conflicts can also include two different tests running into the same time duration. If this is the case, please select Other to specify. If there are no conflicts, select None. Next, enter the professor's name for this specific course. Then, go ahead and select the exam date and time. Click on the calendar icon to select the date of the upcoming test. Additionally, select the start time of the test. Please ensure to schedule your test accordingly if it begins 10 minutes after the hour. Next, enter the exam duration. Click on the drop-down menu to enter the duration of the scheduled test. The test duration should be the length of time the class is given to write the test. It may not be the duration of your regularly scheduled class time. Please ensure that you are booking your test for the appropriate length of time by referring to Canvas announcements, course syllabus, or by emailing your professor to confirm. You must confirm the test length with your instructor prior to booking the test. If your test duration does not appear in the drop-down menu, please leave a note in the Requested Accommodations or Comments section and indicate the appropriate duration in there. Next, list the accommodations that you require in the test center based on your previously approved accommodation plan for the semester. If you do not require any additional accommodations beyond utilizing the test center, write "No additional accommodations are required." However, please note that given the late notification for your test, quiz, or exam booking, SAS may not be able to provide some accommodations due to issues like lack of available seats. So please be prepared for such possible situations where you may need to write your tests without some or all accommodations. Moving forward, go ahead and select your SAS counselor or advisor from the drop-down menu. Please review the Collection, Use, and Sharing of Personal Information section. Please confirm the details of your completed form and click the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation of your submission. Please monitor your OntarioTechU.net email account for updates. You will receive a confirmation email from the test center once your booking has been confirmed. This can take time to schedule, so we request that you be patient until your request is finalized. You can confirm your test schedule by navigating to the main menu and by clicking on My Appointments and Tests. Please note you cannot edit your selections after submission. If you happen to have a conflict with your booking, please email the test center as soon as possible.